everybody. Not good news. We've had some devastating news. And unfortunately...
Yeah, I'm upset. I'm really upset.
This could be the last video. Someone, especially one of our viewers, thought he was on our side. I don't know how to... I can't even say it.
It stabbed me in the heart.
He's hurt Marcus. He's called us a pair of wankers.
It's hurt me in the heart.
So it's just a bit of a kick when you're down. We've lost all motivation now. So we're only joking. Listen, boys. Do you think that's gonna bother us? Listen. What's the easiest way to say it, Marcus?
I'll tell you what to say.
No. Okay. Look, pal. If you don't like the videos, it really is this simple. What's he got to do?
Not watch them.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I said to him is, hey, man.
Yes. Yes, boys. Right. Anyway, you enjoy this video, and you know what? We might be a pair of wankers, Marcus, might we? What if we are? So what?
But we've got good viewers.
Yeah.
And all the rest of you.
Yeah. Enjoy the video.
And enjoy. Right, welcome back everybody. So Sunday morning, and we're going to have a look at a Ford Fiesta Mark 1, late 70s, 1.1 gear. We'll see how it goes. My son was interested, so we'll have a look and look from there. There's the new Punto, as you can see, looking nice. And there we are, going in this nice Volvo over to go and have a look, and we'll see how it goes from there. Enjoy. Hi everybody. We've not got James with us today. We've got Sam, my son, and Matt in the front, and we're on our way down now to go and see a 79 Mark 1 Ford Fiesta 1.1 gear with circular front grille headlights in a pastel blue. I'm looking to see if we can buy it for my son, so all looking good. We'll keep you updated on the further mission, but as you can see, we're not having any he-ahs or but I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Right guys, I'm back again. We're got down here. Been a bit of fun and games. We're about 1.5 miles to 2 miles away from where we're supposed to be, and the gearbox mounting snapped on the Volvo. So I've had to brace it and brace the engine up and jack it up to try and get us here. As you can see, that takes some doing. So now we've got here. We got here to see the car, and these people here are the car people who own the car, and we've bought the car, and as you can see, needs a little bit of work, but it's there. It's in a pale blue colour. This will be on YouTube, so
oh my god, don't put me on YouTube.
as you can see, it's quite tidy. We've got a spare window, older logbook. You can see the mileage. It's got an original radio, got loads of parts for it. It's got some nice seats. Original sunroof. As you can see, there we go. Nice car. And there we go. She starts. Rev counter, just give it a tap. So, there you go. Thumbs up. Enjoy.
Right, this is the Fiesta that they collected. It's a Mark 1, 1979. Very, very solid. And someone has spent a lot of money on this. But it's a nice little thing, clean. It's got the banded steels. It's very nice of that. Is it the 1.1?
Yeah, 1100 gear.
Yeah, so it's the 1100 and it's a gear. It is good though. Solid. Look inside. Little bucket seats. Oosh. Bloody hell, they're bloody hold you in, don't they? But it's like, it's not over the top, you see. It's actually a daily car, this. It's being used. Look at the seats. Oh, look at that. Little cross flow. Ticking away nicely. And if you look how solid it is, you can put a 1600 in that, can't you? That's the Fiesta. Marcus, quick one. Just tell the people what you're doing today. Nice and quick.
I'm going to get the MG6. I'm going to put a new release bearing that we've had to get from wherever, which has took ages to
Very
come,
hard to find.
and put the gearbox back in, and then the car is sorted.
Right. I'm going to get Mickey Messer now. Mickey Messer! Oh! Oh! Just got him. I got him. I knew I'd get him. I knew it. Right, there's the wall. Great Wall of China, boys. That's getting done. Mickey Messer is going to clean this Merc for us. So, busy. And I need to nip out now and get a few cars, so see you in a bit. Boys, Mickey Messer's recording, but he doesn't want to get in the camera, do you, Mickey Mess? Oh, he won't even speak. Right. Mickey Messer's cleaned the car, and he's... What have you done on it? Polish? Oh, nod, he gave me the nod. He's given it a proper decent polish. Inside and out. Looking super creamy, boys. Now, he did put the lines in the carpet, and then someone got in it. Get a zoom on that, lad. I'll move that bit of rubbish. Just show how clean it is. And then I'll picture it. I'm going to show you how we picture it. Ooh, look at them lines, my boys. Unbelievable. Looking good. It is looking good. How good the bodywork is. Mint. I'll tell you what, this has actually got to be one of the best E190s or 190Es for the age, and it's original. It's never been restored, so it is a very nice one. So I'm going to picture it now. We'll start with the first picture is going to be the display picture. So you've got to make sure it's a decent one. So first picture, we want to fill the camera lens, as you can see. Get a tiny bit of angle. What do you reckon, Mickey Mess, about there, lad? That's it, yeah, that's a good one. We're just showing the car from all angles. The good, the bad and the ugly. God, it is clean now. To say it's 31 years old, this is older than me. And it's P-mint. It's probably in better condition than me as well. I don't think it is. Right, open them doors, Mickey Mess. It's that clean, I'm going to have to wipe the footprints out. Can we get a bonnet pop, lad? Oh, it's on the passenger side. You get the bonnet. Right, you just keep hold of that. Oh, where's the air filter? Is it in the boot? You need that on. Right, I'm just going to leave that there for now. That'll do. Bolt it on properly after. Right, that'll do that. Let that down. Just do we get in one of the sills? Right, I think that'll do. And that, my boys, is how to picture a car. Right, boys, it's treat time. You know what treat time is, don't you? Kenny's dinner time, boys. Kenny, come on, it's your star moment, star of the attraction.
Star of the attraction right today.
What
we
are we
are
on?
chicken curry and chips.
Oh my god, it's chip shop. Oh, I tell you what, is that Michelin star, Kenny?
Oh, I don't know about that. Probably about half of one.
Oh, I tell you what, that's not bad. Let me have a look. Come on, let's have a gander. Oh, is it from frozen as well?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that chicken. Oh,
97% chicken.
you know what? I think the dog's dinner looks better. It looks more appetising. Oh, there's no trays. Well, this is what the dog gets. Look at this. Caesar's super spoiled. She's rear me a cat. The dog, well, Sky, she gets like the very spoilt stuff. And I actually opened one of them tins and I thought that wouldn't be too bad on crackers. I looked around, Kenny scoffing it, didn't you, Kenny?
Yeah. Looking right
Right,
away.
what else are we on? Come on, that can't be it.
I've got me a pot noodle.
Pot noodle?
Yeah.
Is it a pot noodle or the fake ones?
Pot
it's a pot
noodle.
noodle. Penguin.
It's penguins. Go boys.
Unbelievable.
Your bag's full of penguins, man.
What have you got to say to your viewers?
Keep subscribing. I've got a treat coming next
He's
week.
got a treat. When he means a treat, it's probably steak and chips. Now I'm going. Oh, look what I've just found in the bin. Oh, this is Kenny's dinners. Oh my god, right. So, it's like on that show where they chuck everything out the bag, Kenny. Right, we've got a steak and chips. We've got
chips, beans and sausage.
a sausage and chips. Of rustlers.
That's not mine, that one.
Rustlers, is that
Oh,
yours?
that blue one is.
Oh, what's that?
Hot pot.
Minced beef hot pot, big value. Was you full off that?
No, it was shit really.
That's what the dog had. Legendary. Oh, nourishment. That's what like smackheads have, that nourishment. It's because they're full of sugar. Right, chicken curry, just had that one. Right, so get in the comments, boys, if you still want to see more of Kenny's dinner.
Buy me something, send it and I'll eat it.
Yeah. Right, that's it. You send something in. If you post it here and you're not poisoning Kenny, he will eat it. So someone send.
As long as it's not fish.
Would you eat the smelliest fish in the world?
No, I don't
For a
eat
tenner.
fish.
For a tenner.
No, I don't like fish.
What about the world's hottest chili? Would you eat a ghost chili for a tenner?
I've had a bite of one.
Right. Well, we're going to start doing this challenge with Kenny. Can the bin eat it? Yeah.
Can the bin eat it?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yes.
What about, Kenny, a full chicken dinner in a can?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get
even
one.
a breakfast in a can of already.
I'm gonna get one just for the laughs. Right, enjoy, boys. Right, so we've got the oil tanker here for taking waste oil away. We normally do this every 3 months. We get a full waste out, we pump the oil, straight into this tanker. Yeah, it gets either recycled or whatever, I'm not sure. But I'll show you it pumping soon. You can see it's still pumping. Our tank is right at the back over here, on the other side of this wall. So it's a funded tank. It's pumping all the oil into here. Give that 5 minutes. More cars are getting scrapped. There's 2 on the frame today at once. So they're both getting depolluted. And Marky Boy's still doing his lip run. Let's see how he's doing actually. How are we managing?
Well, one started motorboats out, got the other one to get off now. They were tight.
Was it tight?
So I'm on the bottom one now,
Right.
but that one, the length of it, and it was rusted that bad, loads of duck oil to get it off.
Right. Right, well, it's again now. Right. So we have another. Oh, yeah, right. Let's see if we can do this with no distractions, boys. First of all, we'd like to say welcome back, everybody. We hope you've been enjoying these videos. We've been putting a lot of effort in, but Ben hasn't.
Whoa.
No, he has actually. He cleaned the wheel the other day.
Exactly. Oh, it's 2 weeks.
So yeah, now we're in here because we've got a present. Someone, one of you guys, have sent as a present. And what was his name? Was it Colin? I'm sure it was Colin. He was called Colin. Doesn't say out here, but he's definitely called Colin. So Colin, Marky Boy, what you got to say to Colin?
Well done, thank you.
Well done for what?
I don't know.
Right. Now, I was looking at this, and it's addressed to us, and it was first class, so that would have been quite expensive. In fact, it was £6. But there's a secret message down here. Marcus. Ho ho. So, Marky Boy, you've got to open it, and we'll see what's in it. Now, I think there's
194. So
yeah, there'd be the module for the Merc, the relay, but there's something else in there for you.
Is there?
Oh yeah, you've cut your hand back.
Here we go. Only game.
Is it a sausage roll, boys? It could be a sausage roll. What we're dealing with. It's definitely a sausage roll. Oh, it's the breather pipe.
You've got a breather pipe.
Nice. Marcus's present. Hooray.
What else we got for?
That with the relay. Let me open it, pass it here. That's the relay. Look at that puppy. That's the bit we needed right there. So that should get it running. Thank you.
That's the temperatures.
That's the water temp sensor.
Is it the right one? Is it the right one?
It will be, yeah.
Right,
Right, get the present, come on. Oh, what?
Ooh! Spark plug tester! So I can see if I'm getting a spark.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Hey, you can shove it up your butt, Marcus.
Hey, I'll tell you what, I can shove it in your ear.
Whoa. I tell you what, that's a decent little thing, that. Unbelievable.
Thank you.
We appreciate that. Thank you very much.
So I don't have to
Send it
see
to
him
pipe and
spark.
smoke it. Go on, smoke it, Marcus.
What do you say, Sherlock?
Right. What have you got to say to him, Ben? No thanks to Colin.
Cheers, Colin, pal.
There's your shout out, mate. Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.